Well, thanks for tuning in and seeing my first kind of official cooking video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this recipe or something in particular, please leave a comment down below. Kind of an introduction to my new outdoor kitchen working area. Okay, kind of like my little studio and kitchen all in one. That's my new elevated fire pit. Yes, it's not primitive and all that jazz, so just relax. I like the aesthetic of it. You know, if I'm gonna be working here, I want something that I'm just kind of proud of and I think it's kind of pretty. I got two other primitive fire pits going on behind me for different cooking projects projects and all sorts of stuff. You can see the tripod right there, and I have a bigger one going on over there for my upcoming cooking videos that I've got in the works. So that way I can be cooking several things at once, or I have different stations to cook things differently, using cast iron, using camp cookery that you fit in your backpack, or just nothing at all. All right, that way I have all my stages right here. If you like what you see, and you want to come out, hang out with Sigma 3 Survival School, you can check us out at survivalschool.us. All right, we host 3 instructor candidacy courses a year, spring, summer, fall. They're 45 straight days. You get to hang out here with me and a couple other survival instructors, and we get to do fun stuff like this, probably have classes right here now and drink some beer, talk some smack on the other military branches and so on and so forth. So if that's what you're into, and hey, come and join us. Please subscribe to the channel, share, comment, all that fun jazz. Keep the algorithms going, here on YouTube, because we've been having a hard time with YouTube, but hey, it is what it is. But outside of that, thanks for joining me. Take care.